Hi friends, hope all's well. You're watching Adventures with Anita G. Fagosh. Do you know where we have come today? Today, with a gang of friends, we have been out since morning. Very close to Maniktala Crossroad on Goribari Lane is situated this exquisitely beautiful Sitambar Jain temple. It is a very auspicious and important religious temple of the Sitambar Jains. We are now at Goribari Lane at the smaller Parishnath Jain temple. This temple is dedicated to the 23rd Jain Tirthankar Lord Parishnath. Inside the temple complex, there are many fountains and gardens, and here we find the example of ancient European architecture. On the boundary walls, on the walls of the temple, the inside shrine, ceiling, the walls and the path, the garden, on the planters and the statues, the exquisite work has mesmerized us. This is only the exterior, and the interior is equally beautiful. Here the petals look as if they are made from shells. There are quite a few guests today, and all are very busy taking their pictures against this beautiful background. Everyone was clicking pictures of themselves. I couldn't resist the temptation of posing myself. Now, here's some information about the motifs in the architecture. Ashtamangala are the 8 auspicious frequently used Jain symbols. The 8 symbols are Darpan, that is Meda, Bhardasana throne, Vardhaman, that is powder vase, it's a full water vessel, Matsya Jugma, that is pair of fish, Ivastaka denotes symbols, Nandyavarta is an elaborated swastik, and lastly is the swastika. In this temple, the fish and the mirrors have been used elaborately. Here, all the statues of children and women are like those found in the Western and European parks. At the entrance, a marble plaque displays that this beautiful temple was established by Sri Rai Badri Das Bahadur in 1867. He was an eminent Marwari businessman and a connoisseur of art. Oh, here he is seen seated on a throne, and every day the Jains perform puja to his statue. In this temple complex, there are actually 4 temples, and the main one is dedicated to the 23rd Jain Tirthankar Lord Parishnath. And now, we are very proud of the fact that it is one of the World Heritage Sites in India. On either side of this beautiful staircase, we find an elephant with a mahout and a passenger on top of it. Actually, it felt as if we were in Rajasthan. Yes, we have a piece of Rajasthan in Calcutta. It felt as if we were inside one of the forts in Rajasthan, maybe in Amber Palace or in Ajmer Palace. The inlay of colored stones on Markana white marble, it reminds us of the designs on Taj Mahal. We took off our slippers at the bottom of the staircase and we climbed up this beautiful staircase, and behold, what did we see inside? We were bemused by the gold glitter everywhere. Parts of the ceiling, the door frame, the door, the pillars, the various religious utensils, the goddess, the planters, it all had gold covering. It felt as if we were in a dreamland. Inside the temple, there were windows made of stained glasses, and there were many chandeliers. In the main inner sanctorium, there's an idol of Lord Parishnath, and there is a large diamond glittering on its forehead. The glitter from the semi-precious stones and precious stones as well as the gold was reflected by the mirrors, and oh wow, what a sight it was inside. We were totally mesmerized. The marble idol of Lord Parishnath had a very serene and calm influence on us. It looked so happy and peaceful. We also saw a large water body in the temple complex with many colorful fish in it, and indeed it had a very soothing effect on us. So friends, do write to me in the comment section whether you like this temple and whether you would like to visit it, and if you do visit it, do contact me. I would definitely like to guide you to this temple, to this beautiful temple. And most importantly, do give a like and share, and definitely do subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in another video.